Welcome back to our channel. It's okay, Chemistry Paper 1 lecture question 11. We talk about geometry, okay, for graphene. What is graphene? We have to remember graphene is similar to graphite. Graphite are layers of carbon, right? And then what is graphene? One layer, we join them together to make it as a big, long layer of graphite. Just one layer, but the structure are identical with that of graphite. Do you remember graphite can conduct electricity? Why? Because it has one free electron. Why? Because remember, the carbon inside it only bond with free carbon. And then the other one electron are free to move. Okay, so it has a free electron. So carbon has no lone pair, only free bonds. So what is this structure? Yes, trigonal ping. I must say you are awesome. Well done. So see you for next question.